Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download the GTA 5 Enhanced version on your PC absolutely free if you already own the Legacy Edition through Epic Games. Let's get right into it. First, launch the Epic Games Launcher on your PC. Make sure you're logged into the account where you originally claimed GTA 5. Once you're in, click on the Library tab on the left-hand side. Here, you'll see a list of all the games you own. Now scroll through your library. If you already own the legacy version of GTA 5, Rockstar has added the Enhanced Edition for free to your account. Click on GTA 5 Enhanced, choose your install location, and hit Install. Wait for the download to complete. It may take a while depending on your internet speed. Once installed, you're all set to enjoy the upgraded version with enhanced visuals and improvements. And that's how you download GTA 5 Enhanced Edition for free on PC through Epic Games, as long as you own the legacy version. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Happy gaming, and I'll see you in the next one.